Okay, let's do exercise 2C. Question number 2. What is AC? Can you prove that AC equals this? So I've just taken everything from the top and pasted it down here, and I'm looking at AC, which is the orange line in the middle triangle, or it's this big one up top here. Okay, so I noticed that we've got that color already. Let's go with that pink. This AD is the same AD here. And if that's true, then this is 90 degrees. Okay, so let's work in our first triangle because I see that the green is repeated here. So let's work out the green, get the green there. Then we've got 90 degrees, we can get Y. We can get orange. So let's do that. In triangle CBD, this one, we're solving the green line, CD. So CD divided by sine of alpha should be equal to, so we're going to go blue, x times sine of theta divided by sine of beta. That means that CD is equal to sine of theta, x sine theta, times sine of alpha divided by sine of beta. Okay, oopsie, my bad, sorry. So now what do we have? We have the length of CD. CD is in green. We know the length of CD. We can now move CD to the second triangle. In our second triangle, we could use the sine rule, but instead of that, I would rather use, because I have 90 degrees here, we can use SOHCAHTOA. So if I take the green line, I'm going to redraw this, and our sketch looks like this. Okay, so we have A, C, D, and this is our CD, which we have. We've got 90 degrees over there, which is beautiful, and this is the one we want. We also have this angle over here. So this angle tells me that it is adjacent over hypotenuse. So I can now say in this triangle, adjacent over hypotenuse equals cosine. Okay, so I'm going to say cos of the angle is equal to, my adjacent is CD, and my hypotenuse is AC. That's beautiful. I want AC as the subject, so I'm going to swap, and I'm going to say AC is equal to CD divided by cos of the angle. Okay, now substitute. Can you substitute and change the values? Yes, we can add CD. AC is equal to x sine theta times sine alpha divided by sine of beta. That is my numerator. What is my denominator? So I'm going to take this separate. I just want you to see something. If I do tip in times, cos of the angle is my denominator. So I have 1 over that. If I do tip in times, I can then instead make it multiplied by cos of lambda over 1. That's one option, right? Alternatively, I can make cos sine if it is in the denominator, if I keep it as a denominator. This as a denominator, because now it becomes a numerator, but if I keep it as a denominator, it actually translates to sine of the angle, which is, no man, what am I doing? Okay, let's do that and go back to the question. Can you see that we've actually answered the question? So that cos, I don't actually need to translate that to anything. That is what the question asked for. x sine theta sine alpha divided by sine beta over cosine of, is a gamma, I think. Okay, there we go.